Once the navigation system has fully started, the opening navigation screen should be displayed. The navigation screen will consist of 4 sections where patient scan information will be displayed. Typically, these sections will consist of sagittal, axial, and coronal patient scan data. The 4th screen will either display a 3D model of the patient data or can also be used to display a live video input source such as a surgical endoscope, which must be clicked to activate. Various icons at the top of the screen indicate the status of the navigation system. The instrument icon can be found in the upper right-hand side of the screen. A white instrument symbol indicates that there are no instruments plugged into the system. A green instrument symbol indicates that an instrument is plugged in and recognized within the magnetic field. A red instrument symbol indicates that the instrument is plugged in but is not recognized within the magnetic field. This can be the result of either one of 2 things. The instrument is not within the magnetic field, or there is magnetic interference encountered near the instrument. To enable navigation, ensure the instrument is within the magnetic field, or remove the items from the field which are causing the interference to the instrument. The instrument icon has a number assigned to it to indicate how many uses the instrument has left. In this example, the instrument has 6 uses left after this case. Each time the instrument is used for surgery, the instrument use indicated will count down 1 usage. The localizer icon can be found on the upper right-hand side of the screen. A white localizer icon indicates the localizer is not plugged in. If there is no localizer icon visible, this indicates that the localizer is plugged in and recognized within the magnetic field. A red localizer can indicate either one of 2 things. The localizer is outside of the magnetic field, or there is magnetic interference encountered in the magnetic field. To enable navigation, ensure the localizer is within the magnetic field, or remove the items from the field which are causing the interference. The field generator icon can be found on the upper right-hand side of the screen. A white field generator symbol indicates that the field generator is not plugged in or is not recognized by the system. If there is not a field generator symbol displayed, this indicates the field generator is plugged in and functioning normally. To enable navigation, ensure the field generator is plugged in. If the field generator is plugged in and is still white, unplug and re-plug the patient localizer to reinitialize all the instrument ports on the system. A numerical value is displayed in the upper right-hand side of the navigation screen. This number indicates the relative quality of the sensor signal being communicated to the navigation unit. As a general rule, a lower value is desired, which indicates that there is less interference in the field that can affect the performance of the navigation system. Please note, however, a higher symbol does not necessarily indicate that the quality of the navigation information that the system receives is poor. For consistency of the navigation performance, the recommended goal is to maintain steady values below 0.2. On the upper left side of the navigation screen, the Operations menu can be found. Within this menu, various options can be found, such as the marker function. This initiates the patient registration process. The procedure for patient registration will be detailed in the Setting Landmarks and Performing Registration section of this training. The line function. This function enables the user to create a line to delineate anatomical structures during the procedure. The length function. This function allows the user to determine the length in millimeters between 2 points. The exit function. This enables the user to return to exit the FIAGON navigation program. Also on the upper left-hand side of the navigation screen, the patient menu can be found. This menu is used to select the patient data that corresponds to the patient undergoing the procedure.